The next question is a text multiple choice, multiple answers question. It's actually just a multiple choice question, but with multiple possible answers. Click on it and start adding your content. This is my question. Name 3 disadvantages of people and wild animals living together. Take the 3 correct options. You can also switch to the rich text to give some more layout, like this. I'm adding my answers right now. Just add them one by one. Like this. Don't forget to indicate every single answer that is correct, so students have to tick it off. When you scroll down, there are other options as well as with the multiple choice question type. You can randomize all the different answer types. For each student, this will be in a different order. And then you can also choose for the multi-column layout. When it's not multi-column, it looks like this. So it's just a list with all the possible answers. You can go back as well, and if it's multi-column layout, you will see that the answers are divided into 2 different columns, like this. When I go back, there are more options as well, like in every other single question, like from BookWidgets, you can add a rationale, so an explanation why those answers are right. You can add a hint. You can add audio to give more instructions or to add an audio fragment. You can add an image, numbering, and the scoring options are important too. Click on the scoring options. In this particular question type, you have different options right here. So here you have to indicate whether students score points when all the answers are correct, or when they score a point for each answer that is correct, and add points for each correct answers, or deduct points for each wrong answer. When you click on the deduct points, you have to indicate how many points will be deducted from the answer from the students, from the wrong answer. I'm just going to do score points for each correct answers. Keep in mind that when students don't indicate an answer that they don't have to indicate, that's also a right answer because they didn't have to indicate it and they did it well. So that's it. My question is done, and I can go to preview again, check how this looks like. Students can tick off the answers or just tick it off again.